What's up, everybody? Should be a quick video. Maybe not, though. We'll see. It's a response for Jason, Mr. Fisher Bike. Wanted to get this video up. Almost forgot about it tonight. I'm like, let's get a video up quick, and then I'll have a bunch of other different couple rummage videos coming up for a collection that I'm gonna be sorting out. It's a junk wax collection, but it should be some fun because there's some good stuff in there. Things that I had forgotten about, like that existed over the years. So that'll be coming up. There'll be a new series I'm gonna do on counterfeits, because I've been finding a lot of counterfeits that are slabbed, and that's not good. They're old slabs, so I don't think PSA and them companies do that as much anymore. But wanted to kind of, I almost fell for one, so that's why I just like, you know what, I'm gonna do the counterfeit video. It was tough to make because I've never done it before. A lot of talking over, what do you call that? A lot of talking while I'm trying to explain in the picture what's going on, because a lot of the cards I don't have in hand. So, but it was a lot of fun to make. So yeah, basically I got started on YouTube though for in 2007. Created my channel in 2007, should I say. Didn't upload my first video until the end of 2010. So pretty much watched a lot of Mustang videos and card videos. And finally I came across AR Falcon 77.
As you can take my word, I'll just say thanks as I blow my curd. Mainly your fault for the stuff that you sent, and now which is in my pants.
He's an ass saver, Jesus.
What up?
Here it is.
Bronco 79.
What's going on, everybody?
Puff Bear 359.
What up, YouTube? Puff Bear 359.
Bobby AF Cop. And then
What up, y'all?
But the one that's
Got a very exciting mail day today.
The first couple care packages I sent out were to Bronco 79 and T-Live 1972. Yeah.
What is up, YouTube? T-Live 1972 coming at you.
Video from below his neck, titties pretty much, down to his stomach. And you would see his dining room table. And I always enjoyed him. And then I realized he's from Pennsylvania. He only lived about an hour from me. We met up, went to some card shows, had poker nights, break boxes together. We always laughed, man. Shared some great times. But I started making videos at the end of 2010 because I was going through a lot of things. I had yet to be diagnosed with my illness, dealing with a lot of depression, panic attacks. There were points where I didn't leave the house for 2 years unless I had to go to a doctor's appointment. And my mom, yes, I was a mommy's boy, literally would have to force me to get in the car and go to these places. She helped me get through a lot of the stuff I went through. Always be grateful for that. I wouldn't be here today where I am without her. And honestly, if I wouldn't started YouTube, I don't know where I'd be, because YouTube helped me, was an outlet, and helped me to just talk about what I loved, autographs, sports cards, things like that. And super grateful. And that's why I still do it. And will always do it. And that's why I'm looking to grow my channel now. But T-Lab Tim was the guy that definitely gave me the juices to want to hit that record button. Didn't care if people saw my face. Of course you're nervous, but gave me the confidence to do that. thank you, Tim. I'll always be grateful for that. And hopefully we can get in contact again here soon. It's been about 10 years since we've even talked. And yeah, love you, Tim. Great guy. Hard-working dude. Big Cowboys fan, which is the downfall, you know. Anyway, but yeah, man, that's pretty much my response. And there's so many guys over the years. Things have changed so much. So back in the day, it used to be so basic. The community was small. There were a lot of rant videos on other people, and it was quite interesting and fun to watch. But it was so much different back then than now. And but I still love it. Still love it. And quick little plug here. My brother, my older brother, owner, operator, truck driver, very successful at what he does. Super smart. Started at YouTube a couple years ago. I don't even think it was 2 years ago. He asked me a couple years ago on advice on making videos, like what software I use, different things like that. And he kept at it. And now his channel has just shot up. So Trucking Resources, Rob, my brother, I'm so proud of you. He's inspired me to want to grow my channel, do different things, think outside the box. Because that's what he has done. He has taken on and just so good at talking. He's so good at telling stories. And so thank you, Rob, for, you know, helping me want to think outside the box and get back at this. And yeah, just super thankful for this. Rob, you will have a silver play button, I guarantee you, by next year. This time next year, you will have a silver play button. You're so good at what you do. I know this is a video response, but I had to mention it because it kind of fits in, because I wasn't making a ton of videos here for a while. I was kind of trying to find out what I wanted to do. And now me thinking more outside the box, like the rummage videos, the counterfeit videos. I want to start a series with that. The MMA videos, interviewing, which we will have when we get back from the beach, our first guest, and that'll be every Sunday. Things like that. Yeah. So that's that. Tim, I'll put a clip here of Tim and me. You know, when you look back on the quality of our videos back then, they were like 360p or something like that. Terrible quality. I don't even know how people could see the cards back then. Like, for example, this card right here, Matt Ryan SSP. Back then, how did we see these cards? You couldn't see. It's so weird. But we would watch and support each other, and crazy. But that is a pickup, by the way. The only pickup I've gotten in 2 weeks. But there will be a video coming up on selling Otani. Sold 85% of my Otani, and I'll explain why. The details, it's not just that I decided, hey, I'm getting rid of this player. It was because I went and looked. I love Otani. I think he's going to go down as the greatest of all time. But there's just so much out there. So many different cards of him. I think the cards are going to plummet eventually. Most of them. And I was like, you know what? While prices are up, I'm going to get rid of what I have and go back to where I started. Autographs. Game use patches. Roddy White, look at that game use patch. Can't really see the dirt much here, but yeah. Things like this. It's what I loved. It's what I started. And things I want to get back to. Marino, Dan Marino. I was a huge Dan Marino fan growing up. That's how I became a Zach Thomas fan. And I have a bunch of slabs that I'm going to show of Marino inserts from the 90s to early 2000s. And yeah, so really, really excited. And Jason, thank you for the contest. I hope I followed the instructions properly. If not, I don't want to enter for any prizes. So yeah, that's my video. Excited for the future. And guys, if you are not subbed, if you're living under a rock to Mr. Fisher Bike, he's one of the most beautiful person. He's a firefighter, puts his life on the line every day for people. Got a beautiful family, got a beautiful collection. He's just amazing dude, and I support the shit out of him. So that's my video. I made this 11 minutes, but yeah, I know Scootley, the truck driver. Scootley, if you see this video, go check my brother's channel out. We'll put his link down below to his channel. Actually, we have a couple truck drivers on here, but yeah, my brother is doing amazing things as well. And Rob, I'm proud of you, and love your brother. Thank you for inspiring me. Jason, thank you for the contest, and I'll talk with you guys soon. Rise up, chop on. Matt Olson out of the slump, hit his 46th home run. So we're losing though, so that's not good. So yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Be safe, and see you in the next upload. Deuces.